Hey Robert, can you do this, but 1,000,000 times? Yes, we're gonna be able to swim in gummy bears. This is way too slow, Robert. Can you... Nestor! No! Why did you break it? No, don't throw it. Uh-oh. Whoa! That was just 2,000 times. Imagine 1,000,000 gummy bears. You better fix this, Nestor. What are you doing? That's not gonna work, Nestor. Why did you break our lever? It's working. 1,000,000. Go back. Perfect. Okay, Robert, throw it.
Wait.
Why? Oh, a catapult for the gummy bear. Safety first.
Let's go up there.
It's loaded.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go! Whoa! It's gonna fill up the whole room like a swimming pool. Oh no. That's not good. I think we made a mistake, guys.